Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy July, month of July. Yeah, I should say. Yeah, well, I'm going to show you how to remove or how to prepare. Excuse me, my throat is not working beautifully. So, how to prepare or to rinse and clean the store bought barbecued eel, also called unagi in Japanese, right? So I tell you why we should do that, because most of the barbecue eels or unagi no kabayaki, right, in Japanese, are already glazed with a toxic-ridden teriyaki sauce kind of thing, or kabayaki sauce. So before I'm going to use this for my forthcoming episodes or for my supper or dinner or breakfast, I'm going to show you how to remove this, right? Because as you can see it, or you cannot smell it, but let me smell this, okay, the smell test. It's kind of metallic or like a rotten smell. And do you want to eat that? You eat that right away? The answer is no. So there are two ways to remove, right? And then, like I said, I don't need to tell the manufacturer. I don't recommend using the this eel sauce, because as you see, the ingredients are not really. It's kind of suspicious, because it's like a malt, like a hakko chomiru, right? So that's like it's some kind of seasons, but is it synthetic or natural or organic? We don't know. And then also, it's like it says soy sauce, but are they glyphosate free, or we don't know. And then this is the suspicious one, tampaku, whatever something, right? So protein stabilizer, if my memory serves me right when it comes to translations, and I'm not a translator anymore, so we don't know what kind of stuff is this made out of. So that's why I don't recommend use it. Now, sansho pepper, you can double check, but the many of the package that comes with the sansho peppers are not really either pesticides free or organic ones. So do your own research. So let's forget about this. So I'm going to show you. So there are two ways. One, I'm going to use it with running spring water, okay? Running e-spring, so running purified water. There are two ways. That's number one. And then number two, I'm going to dunk this eel, okay, into the e-spring water or purified water, right? Because you don't want to rinse or wash with unpurified tap water, because these are really, really dangerous, right? Because the chlorine or fluoride, they are, neuro disrupting agents, and it's a bunch of inflammatory trash, so you don't want that. And then, like I said, I did it before, so 2 tablespoons baking soda and 2 tablespoons of certified organic rice vinegar, or you can use the apple cider vinegar or any other organic vinegars, okay? Yeah, so when speaking of the baking soda, make sure it's the aluminum free, and not to be confused with baking powder, which comes with the glyphosate-ridden GMO cornstarch and all other aluminum or all other trash. You don't want that. Don't get confused. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, how to clean the barbecue eel by removing this nasty sauce. Okay, without scratching the flesh. Okay, so 2 styles. So you just watch. Okay. Okay, everybody, here's the result. So now it's beautifully clean, zestfully clean, right? Just like the TV commercial. So it's so cleansed up beautifully. So now let me do the smell test. Oh, no longer have fishy or metallic or rotten smell that I've commonly found on the, what was that? Yeah, the barbecue sauce. Yeah, if you want to make your own EO barbecue sauce, it's easy. So organic soy sauce, organic sugar, organic wine, organic sake, all right? Or vodka is okay. Yeah, that's about it. If you want to put some potato flour starch, as long as organic, you may add it, and then you just mix it up in a medium heat, and then you just baste it in this, right? Yeah. Okay, so whoa. So the left-hand side is the one I wash with the running, purified water system. The right-hand side is the one I rinsed and rubbed and rinsed in the purified water with, organic rice vinegar and baking soda. Now, just like the meat detoxing process, you may soak this for over, 3 hours? 3 hours. You can do that, but make sure you do pat dry, right? And then put some, salt. It's a plastic-free salt for 30 minutes, and then remove some moist. Yeah, that's what you can do. Okay, now we are ready to cook. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoy it, if you think this is educational, don't hesitate to subscribe so you can learn more, right? I'm just purely running the nutrition education channel kind of thing. Okay, God bless you all. Cheers.